Hello everyone. In this video, I will highlight few of the key differences between append and extend, which are two useful methods which look similar but they are different. So append concatenates entire argument to the list, whereas extend takes individual elements out of the argument and then concatenate it to the list. Let's quickly understand this concept. So I have created a variable name n1 which is holding a list with 4 items, and then I'm using the append, which is again appending another list having 2 items in it. And in this particular snippet I'm using extend with the same number of parameters. So let's quickly run this and see how it behaves. So you can see that in output terminal window, when we are using append, the input list was like the values we are appending got appended as is. So we are appending 5 6 as a list, so those 5 6 got appended as a list to our n1. Similarly, when you are looking at the extend, here although we are supplying 5 6 in a form of list, still we are getting the proper concatenated result in the form of list. So this is one of the major difference over here. Second difference comes in terms of length. So whenever you are using append, I can quickly show you here. Whenever you are using append, the size of the list would increase only by 1. Whereas in case of extend, the size of the list increase based on how many elements you are having in your this list. So in this case, we will get 4 plus 1. So 5 would be the length, and here 4 plus these 2 elements, so 6 would be the output here. So let's quickly have a look. So we got 5 and 6. So what is the length of the output after using extend depends on how much elements we are adding on to it. And this is the main fundamental where we can talk about the complexity also. So whenever you are dealing with append, your complexity would be linear, which is always big O of 1. Whereas in case of extend, you will have complexity big O of k, where k is the number of items we are trying to add or concatenate here. So apart from these two differences, there is another difference which you can see. In case of extend, I can go ahead and use any type of iterable. So let's say instead of list, I'm using tuple over here. So still it will behave in a very seamless way, and we will get output as a list only. So you can see here that the output is in the form of list, although 5 and 6 are the tuples which we are trying to concatenate. So these are the major differences when you are dealing with append and extend. So whenever you want to add only a single element, then it is always recommended to go with append because it has a complexity of big O of 1. So I hope you got the gist and enjoyed watching this video. Thank you.